Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So let us start the new exercise in the matrices. Elementary operation. Elementary operation is nothing but the transformation of a matrix. There are 6 operations or transformation on the matrix, 3 of which are due to rows. There are 6 operations in the transformation or elementary operation. In that, 3 are due to rows and 3 are due to columns, which are known as elementary operations or transformation. So you can learn both of them, or you can learn only rows on the rows. 3 operations. If you learn on the rows, you can solve by taking the rows. You learn the columns, by choosing the columns, you can solve the problems on that operations. So the first operation is the interchange of any 2 rows. The interchange of any 2 rows. So he has given the matrix. In that matrix, we are going to change the rows, interchanging of 2 rows. That is the first operation. Symbolically, the interchange of ith and jth rows is denoted by Ri changes to Rj. So this is the symbol for changing of rows, 2 rows. Let us consider an example. A of order. A is a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So in this matrix, 3 rows are there and 3 columns are there. So let us interchange. This is an R1, R2 and R3, column 1, column 2, column 3. So I am going to change. R1 is changes to R2, means R1 is going in the place of R2, R2 is going in the place of R1. So I have written here. So this is a symbolically representation of interchanging of any 2 rows. That is R1 changes to R2. So that is a very important questions on elementary transformation, compulsory question for 3 marks in every exams. So this is the first operation. R1 changes to R2. So I have taken the matrix A. So in this matrix, so row 1 is changed to row 2. Row 1 has gone to the row 2, 1 to 1. Then row 2 came to the R1, minus 1, root 3 and 1. So this is the first operation on elementary operations. So the second one is the multiplication of elements of any row by a non-zero number. Symbolically, the multiplication of each element of ith row by k, where k is not equal to 0, is denoted by Ri is changed to k into Ri. Means k is nothing but the scalar multiple. So we have to multiply any number to a row. Any number to a row or a column. We are taking the only operations on row. So multiplication of the elements of any row by a non-zero number. You should not take the 0. Have to take a number. So it should be multiplied with any one of the row. So symbolically we are writing here Ri changed to Kri. So let us take an example. B is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. So R1 is changing to 2R1. 2R1 means we are going to multiply the R1 with 2. So 2 into R1 means we have to multiply the elements of R1 by 2. 2 into 1 is 2, then 2 into 2 is 4, then the second row will be same, 3, 4. So this is the second operation on the elementary operation of matrix. Let us go for the next operation on transformation of matrix. The third one is the addition to the elements of any row, the corresponding elements of any other row multiplied by any non-zero number. That is symbolically the addition to the elements of ith row, the corresponding element of the jth row is multiplied by the k is denoted by Ri changes to Ri plus Krj. So let us take an example of order 2 cross 2 matrix E is equal to 1 to 2 minus 1. So I am going to change R2 changes to, this is the symbol, R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1, means R2 is subtracted with 2R1, means 2R1 means 2 is multiplied with R1 elements. Then you have to subtract or add. This is the third operation on transformation of matrix. R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1, means R2 should be subtracted with 2R1. 2 is multiplied with R1. This is on K. This is on scalar multiple is multiplied with R1. So we have to assume that I am going to multiply with R1. So R1 is this one. 1 and 2 is an R1. This is the first row. I am multiplying with the number 2. 2 into 1 is 2, then 2 into 2 is 4. We have to assume that. So first row has changed to, the first row has changed to, if you multiply with 2 means, 2R1 means what you are getting? 2 then 4. Should not, right? You should assume that. Okay. So now, so here 1 and 2 is there, but we are multiplying with a scalar multiple. So now subtract R2 with R1. R2 should be subtracted with R1. R1 has changed to 2 and 4. If you subtract 2 minus 2, so keep the R1 as same. Write the C is equal to R1 is 1, 2. Then change R2 should be changed to R1. Now 2 minus here 2, because we have multiplied with R1 with 2 means 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Then minus 1 is subtracted with minus 4, means how, means we are multiplying this number with 2. 2 2s are 4. So minus 1 minus 4 we are getting the minus 5. So this is the third operation on transformation of matrix. Let us go further. Invertible of matrices. Invertible of matrices means, let us go for a definition. If A is a square matrix, A is a square matrix of order M, and if there exists another square matrix B of the same order M such that AB is equal to BA. AB means to multiply A with B, that is equal to B into A, that is you are getting the identity matrix. Then B is called the inverse matrix of A. B is called the inverse matrix of A, and it is denoted by A inverse, means A to the power of minus 1. In that case, A is said to be invertible, means, so you have to take the two matrices of order same. If you multiply A is a matrix and B is a matrix of order M cross N and M cross N, if you are multiplying the A and B, you are getting the identity matrix. Again you are going to multiply B and A, you are getting the identity matrix. So then it is B is called the inverse of A, and it is denoted by A to the power of minus 1. In that case, A is said to be invertible. So then we can say that A is an invertible matrix. So let us take an example here. A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 2 of order 2 cross 2. B is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 of order 2 cross 2. So you know how to multiply the two matrices A and B. First row should be multiplied with first column. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. The first row is multiplied with second column. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. 3 into 2 is plus 6. So again, second row, first column. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Then second row, second column. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. Then 2 into 2 is plus 4. So if you subtract 4 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 6 plus 6 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 1 plus 4 is 1, that is equal to I we are getting. I is nothing but the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. Let us multiply BA. B, let us write the B matrix 2 minus 3 minus 1 2, then A 2 3 1 2. If you multiply first row with first column, 2 2s are 4, then minus 2 into 1 is minus 3, then first row second column 2 into 3 is 6, then minus 3 into 2 is 6, then second row first column 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, 2 into 1 is plus 2, then minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 2 into 2 is 4, then 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 6 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, minus 3 plus 4 is 1. We are getting I. So therefore, we can say that AB is equal to BA, BA is equal to I. So therefore, AB is equal to BA is equal to I is nothing but the identity matrix. So thus B is the inverse of A. In other words, B is equal to A to the power of minus 1. A to the power of minus 1 is nothing but the A inverse, and E is the inverse of B, that is A is equal to B inverse. So you have to note down the 2 points. A rectangular matrix does not possess the inverse matrix. If you take a rectangular matrix, it does not possess the inverse matrix, since for the product of BA and AB to be defined and to the equal, it is necessary that the matrices A and B should be the square matrices of the same order. If you take A is a rectangular matrix and B is a square matrix, you cannot possess the inverse, so that you have to take A and B as an what? Square matrix, then we can possess the inverse of the 2 matrices. So second point, if B is the inverse of A, then A is also the inverse of B. If B is the inverse of A, means A is also the inverse of B. These are the 2 important points you should note down. Let us go problems on elementary operations, transformation of a matrix. So the first problem, by using the elementary operations, find the inverse of the matrix. So you have already learned the 3 operations on elementary operation, that is on row only. I have thought the on row only. So let us take the example, a problem. A is equal to 1 2, 2 minus 1. Let us solve this one. Very important question for 3 marks. Very important for 3 marks, compulsory question. Okay, let us solve the problem. A is equal to, he has given the matrix of order 2 cross 2 by using the elementary operations on rows. So let us take A is equal to I into A. I is nothing but the identity matrix, very important. Let us take an A. A is 1 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to I means identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So keep the A as A only. Then I have to change the interchanging of rows or multiplying with the constant scalar multiple, or adding the row 1 to the row 1 and multiplying the scalar multiple. 3 operations you have to use by using the rows. So I am going to change. So here we should make this matrix as an identity matrix. So our aim is to make the A as an identity matrix. So here in the first 1 2 is there, in the second row 2 minus 1 is there. So here in the second row it should come 0 and 1. So let us go for the second row. Row 2, you know how to write the symbolically. Row 2 changes to row 2 minus 2R1. Our aim is to make the second row as an 0 1. Okay, so this is written in the symbolically. R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. R2 should be subtracted with third operation 2 into R1. So now let us apply here. So row 1 will not change, write the row 1 as its same, 1 2, then row 2 changes to row 2 minus 2R1. So you should not multiply to the row, here you have to write the same thing 1 and 2 as a row 1. So here you have to multiply. So R2 should be changes to R2 minus 2R1 means 2 into 2 into 1 means here 2 in 2 minus 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. I have to assume that here we are multiplying with 2 to the first row and we are subtracting with the second row. 2 minus 2 is 2. Sorry, 2 minus 2 is 0. Then again minus 1 minus of 2 into R1. 2 into R1 means 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 minus 4 means we are getting minus 5. So again you have to apply same thing here. So write the first row as in same 1 0. For the second row you have to change here. The second row what you have to do, R2 should be subtracted with 2 R1. R2 means 0. 0 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 0 minus 2 into 1 means 0 minus 2 into 1. What will get? 0 minus 2. We are getting minus 2. Again 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. You are getting 1. Write A as a same. A only you should write here. Then now we got the 0. Now we have to change the 5. If I have to remove, then you should get the 1 here. So let us change here. R2 is changed to minus 1 by 5 into R2 means you are applying the second operation here. So constant scalar multiple is multiplied with the R2. So if you multiply what you are getting written symbolically, you have to write the symbolically. Very important question. R2 changes to 1 minus 1 by 5 into R2. So let us multiply. Write the first was the same thing 1 2, and if you multiply 0 into minus 1 by 5 into 0 is 0. Then if you multiply minus 1 by 5 into minus 5, what you are getting? Minus into minus plus 5 get cancelled, you are getting 1 here. So write it here 1. Then that is equal to 1 0. You write the same first row here, then multiply again to the here second row with minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into 2 minus 2, you are getting minus into minus plus 2 by 5. Then here you write 2 by 5. Then minus 1 by 5 into 1, if you multiply you are getting minus 1 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 we got. So write here. So now let us go for let us continue the problem here. So we got the second row 0 and 1. Now our aim is to make the first row 1 0. So let us change here. R1 is changed to R1 minus 2R2. So I have written symbolically here. R1 should be changed. R1 minus 2R2 means R2 should be multiplied with 2. Then we are getting what we are getting. Let us see here. So now we are changing the row 1. So you should not write the same row 1. Now we are changing the row 1. So R1 is 1. 1 minus here 1 minus 2R2. 2R2 element is 0. 2 into 0. 1 minus 0. You are getting 1 only. So now let us write here R1 first element is 1. Now 2 minus 2R2. 2R2 means into 1, that is 2 minus 2, you are getting 0. So this is 0. Now write the second row as in same 0 1. So go for the right side. Now you have to change the R1. So here R1 is 1 minus you have to multiply with You have to multiply with 2 to the odd 2 element 2 by 5, then you are getting 1 minus 4 by 5. Then take LCM. If you take LCM 5 minus 4, then you are getting 1 by 5. So here you have to write the 1 by 5. Then next 0, then 0 should be subtracted with 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. What you are getting? 0 minus into minus plus 2 by 5 you are getting. So 0 plus 2 by 5 means 2 by 5 only. So here you are getting 2 by 5 into E. The second row is same, you should write it, it will not change. So we are changing only the first row. So second row is the 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 will be C. So our intention is to make the A as an identity matrix. We have done the identity matrix. So shift the A here means if you shift A means it will become A inverse. A inverse is equal to 1 by 5, 2 by 5, then 2 by 5, then minus 1 by 5. So this is the answer. You have to verify means let us verify this one. Let us verify this it is correct or not by using this method A into A inverse. Let us take A is in 1 2 minus 1, then 1 by 5, 2 by 5, then 2 by 5, then minus 1 by 5. If you multiply, what you are getting, let us see, 1 into 1 by 5 is 1 by 5, then minus 2 into 2 by 5 means 4 by 5. So here 1 into 2 by 5 means 2 by 5, then 2 into minus means minus 2 by 5, then here 2 in second row first column, here 2 by 5, then minus 2 by 5, then 2 into 2 is 4 by 5, then minus into minus plus 1 by 5. So what you are getting here, so bases are same means we can take an LCM as in 5. So 1 plus 4, then you have plus 1 plus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 get cancelled, you are getting 0, plus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 getting 0, and 4 by 5, so denominator is same, so LCM is 5, 4 plus 1, then the 5 by 5 cancel, 5 by 5 cancel, you are getting 1 0 0 1. So you are getting identity matrix. So the answer is right, you are getting the 3 marks for this problem.